Good day, everyone. I'm Chadrix Riston, and today I'm going to report my topic about the pioneers of modern teaching. This is just a continuation to the other reporter, so I will be starting on Jane Addams. Jane Addams proposed socialized education, whereas education should address social issues, meaning schools should help students understand and solve real world problems. Also, teachers act as social workers for students' well-being, which means the teacher should support students' emotional and physical well-being, not just their academics. Adams also promoted gender equality in education, arguing that boys and girls should have the same learning opportunities. For example, kung teacher ka nga nag-implement o ang Adams nga philosophy, you might organize a food drive helping students learn about poverty while actively addressing hunger in their community. So naghatag pa kag knowledge and then ingon pod gitagaan og pakabana ang well-being sa imong estudyante. Second is kang Maria Montessori, the prepared environment. So children have an inner drive to learn. So natural na daw sa mga bata pa nga mag-seek sila knowledge kay di ba kung bata pa ta curious kay ta sa mga things na nasa atong palibot. Also, learning material should support sensory and practical skills. Gi-emphasize pud ni Montessori ang paggamit og mga hands-on activity kay maka-learn og dali ang mga bata kung about practical nga mga skills kaysa magsigir og paminaw sa ginastorya sa teacher. And emphasize early childhood learning for lifelong. Dapat na bata pa lang is ma-develop na bitaw ang pangutok sa every person kay madala jud ni niya sa iyang pagkatiguang. So example, in a Montessori classroom, children use counting beads to understand math concepts, allowing them to learn through physical interaction rather than memorization. So, di ba, kung maghaptag ka ng gamit jud ka ng physical nga object is mas madali bitaw tawag ka ng learn. And sunod is kang Jean Piaget, developmental growth. Children construct knowledge through exploration. So, ang children daw, they learn best when they actively engage with their environment. And also identified cognitive developmental stages. Ngunit itong sensory motor stage katong 0 to 2 years old, and ang napa sa ila is object permanence, which is kanang balik-balikon bitaw nila ang isa ka butang. And then next is ang pre-operational stage nga 2 to 7 years old katong kabalo na mo manipulate og mobuog puzzles. And concrete operational stage katong 7 to 11 kabalo na mo think logically and systematically. And last is ang formal operational stage nga 11 above na nanay ability to think abstractly and solve problems, showing that children think differently at various ages, requiring age-appropriate teaching strategies. And also, learning is influenced by environment and experiences. So maka-learn po daw ta depende sa atong environment o sa atong different experiences. And lastly is kang Paulo Freire, which is ang liberation pedagogy. And education should develop critical awareness, meaning students should question and analyze information rather than accept it passively. Schools should empower students, not indoctrinate, meaning hatagan og authority or power ang mga students para mag-explore bitaw. Dili lang kay puros ra instruct gikan sa mga teacher. Advocated for education that promotes equity and justice. Para kang Paulo Freire, education equity meaning each child receives what they need to develop to their full academic and social potential, and also promote justice by working to create fair learning environments for all students. So that's the end of my topic. Maghatag lang ko og summary para mas masabtan jud bitaw. So katong upat ka pioneers dako jud kay tabang sa education. Kay hangtod karon man siguro gapadayon man gihapon tong ilang mga idea. Lahi-lahi lang jud sila focus kay si Adams nag-focus siya sa education as a tool for social change. Kang Montessori is katong independent learning. Kang Jean Piaget is developmental stages. And lastly is ang prayer katong education nga nag-promote og equity and social justice. That's all. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something.